Today we're gonna be making some freaking... Alright, so we're making... Today we're making cassava plant Yucca fries.
I know what I said. I said Yucca. I know it's pronounced Yucca. But you know what? I only ever fucking ate the plant. I never heard somebody say it. Well, I think I have, but like, it went over my head.
Okay, what is
Yucca?
Other people call it cassava plant. It's like a root. You can eat it like you can eat potatoes. Like you can make it the same way you eat potatoes. We're gonna crack it open. We're gonna make some fries. These are the best fries you will ever have in your entire life. Why? Because they're just so much better. Every time I make these fries, people are like, wow, this is better than regular French fries. I'm like, I know, because I made it. So now I'm going to teach you how you can win people over with French fries or
Yucca
fries. Got it? Got it? Are you following? You know what we're doing today? One thing you should know is that this is actually kind of toxic. So you have to make sure that you cook it properly, because if you don't, like, you can literally die. You can literally die. You can get seizure or coma may also occur. Abdominal pain, anxiety, changes in taste, headache, and vomiting. This is some serious stuff right here, guys. Potatoes don't do this to you. I took a bite of a potato and I was just fine. One of these are old and I dropped them, so now I don't remember which one is. So we're gonna cut these open. We're gonna find out which one is old, which one is new, which one is everything in between. So let's get started. First, cutting board. Second, a knife. These are really hard to cut, so make sure you're being safe when you cut with these. Let me show you. So you want to cut the ends off, right? You want to make sure your knife is nice and sharp. Ooh, yeah, this one is the bad one. Can you see it? So now that we figured out which one was the bad one, now we're gonna, now we need to shave this off. And some people do it like this with a knife and they cut the sides off like that. But you know what? We're just gonna use a potato peeler. Some people are like, make sure it's a strong potato peeler. It's gonna work. This is how you use a potato peeler. You put it towards the trash can. Just like before you proceed to the next step, it's probably best that you start boiling some water. I'm gonna use this really big one, even though I really don't need it to be this big, but we're gonna be extravagant in this video. We're gonna cut this into like fries pieces. We got this. Oh my God. Okay, I really don't like doing this. Are you scared for me? I'm scared for me. Okay, so there's like this middle part inside of the plant. It's like a wooden fibrous kind of material, and you just want to pull that out. There it is. I found one. See? Now it's time to put it in boiling water. Honestly, oh fuck, that's why it's so hot in here. So now we have to wait a lot longer because I messed up. I didn't do it right. I'm sorry. Let's just start from the beginning. You have your
Yucca
cut up into fry pieces. They're gonna be pretty thick. I mean, there's no really good way around that. The size is the size, big or small, it doesn't matter what form it's in, old or broken, it's still worth money, and a lot of it in some cases. So make sure you wash your freaking hands. Dude, you're gonna love these fries. You're never gonna eat fries the same again, and you're gonna give this video 3 likes. So what are you gonna do while you're waiting for that to boil? So let's just put this in there. Be careful. I feel like every time I always spill boiling water on me somehow, some way. I'm sweating. Let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes, but you really just want to boil it until it's like almost fork tender. But what do you do when you're waiting for like 20 minutes? It rang. I think it might be done. Let's give it a fork test. Yeah, they're done. Alright, so now we're gonna drain the motherfucking shit. You gotta try really hard not to freaking give yourself a 3rd-degree burn. I'm still learning that part. So there you have it. This is it, kind of soft. Okay. Now the next step is turning on whether you're gonna use an air fryer or you're just gonna regularly fry it. I'm gonna use an air fryer. If you're regularly frying it, get your pan thing.
Oh my god, you just mean pan. Like, you should just say pan and draw the line there.
Fill it with oil. You're gonna wanna like get it real hot. You're just literally just gonna fry it regularly. So you're gonna wanna set up your air fryer, get that shit percolating, and then you're going to season your yucca fries. This is the important part, okay guys? You can't mess up the seasoning. Don't oversalt it. Don't do that to yourself, okay? I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you. So this is my air fryer. Whoopee! Preheat it to 380. Get some olive oil. Do I have like a new pimple coming or something? No, but I have one right here. And if you want to tell me about it, like, I don't really care. I already see it anyway, so you're not gonna hurt my feelings, okay? Lowry's and paprika is like the main duo. But if you can't get both of them, then definitely get Lowry's. I like to put a little kick, so I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper, maybe some black pepper, nutmeg. Just kidding. Don't do that. Drizzle some oil on that ish. So let's get this Lowry's on there, baby. Let's get some cayenne, paprika. You gotta top it with Lowry's. Now they're gonna come out to like a little orangish tint. It's gonna be fire. I should have like kind of turned them around in the pot as they were boiling. Yeah. Sorry. I get a little bit too wound up. You guys can thank me later. This is just how I do it. This is how it always happens. And guess what? It always turns out fucking delicious in the end. So it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put all these in there if they all fit. We're gonna put this in there. All right, so I'm gonna put them for 8 minutes and then we're gonna check on them. We're gonna flip them and then we're gonna put them for probably like another 5 minutes. What do you do in the meantime? You cook some dishes. Excuse my French. So a lot of you guys may be wondering, why did I change my name from Color Club to Titi Alli? Well, honestly, when I chose Color Club as a name, like, I didn't really put much thought into it, and I feel like not only the way I dress, but also like my name for my channel makes people think I'm a lot younger than I am, and I'm not. Like, I don't want people to think I'm 15 years old. Not only that, but my Instagram name is Titi Alli. Yeah, so that's my name. Don't wear it out. Here's a little quick tippy-do though for you guys, because you guys are always asking me, how can you be so outgoing all the time, confident all the time? How can you be so comfortable wearing whatever you want? Well, guys, it's quite simple. It's practice. You gotta practice it. It's not something you're born with. It's a skill. What you have to do is step out of your comfort zone. You are never gonna reach there if you never try. You have to take baby steps. I mean, even for me, like, my style didn't just like appear one day. Like, I have to work towards it. You have to experiment. Experimenting shouldn't seem so, you know, it should be a fun thing. Fuck out of my face. Stepping outside of your comfort zone is different for every person. Everybody takes a different step. Practice being fearless. Don't dip your toes in the water. You need a fucking cannonball. Alright? You need a cannonball, and then later on when you dip your toes in later, it ain't gonna be shit. What else do you guys want to talk about? Put it in the comments below, and also tell me what kind of videos you want to see next, because like, I want to make literally videos all the time. I like doing it. It's fun. Ow. Let's turn these babies over, man. Dude, can you just turn? Can you just listen? Yo, these smell so freaking good. 3 more minutes. And... oh! They're freaking scrumptious.
I feel like the crunchy to soft ratio has been better, but the seasonings might be the best.
This seasoning?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. These are fucking bomb. If you make these, make sure that you let me know. Tell me how it goes. If you made any alterations to the recipe, let us know. I'll see you guys later. Alright, okay, bye.